So today I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin and other crypto on your SoFi crypto account. Now we're actually going to be here on our SoFi account right over here on the home page, as you can see here. And we already have our crypto account open and ready to go. You can see it's in this selection here. We're going to go ahead and click on this option, and that is going to take us to our crypto section here. You can see our current value is at $0. We do have some items in a watch list, but then we can also just go ahead and scroll down here to look at additional options for us. Now, if the crypto you are looking for is here visibly at the very top, you can go ahead and just click on one of those, or you can hit the little search icon over here at the very top right to go ahead and look for the one you are wanting to purchase. Now, for our example here today, we're going to go ahead and do a little bit of purchasing with Bitcoin. Now here in this section, you can actually see the price in real time. So you're going to see it fluctuating as we are talking. You can also click over here on the timestamps with whether you want to check out the 1 month, the 3 month, or any other time period as well. Now, in order to go ahead and purchase, all we got to do is go to the bottom right over here where it says the word buy. We're going to go ahead and click on this. Now in this section over here for us, it's going to ask how much we would like to purchase. We're just going to go ahead and do an example of $5 today. And it's going to show you how much that is going to equate to in Bitcoin. Obviously, you can see here, it is 0.00007215, or it can change in real time here for you. Now, it's currently toggled over here on the from to our checking account that we have with SoFi. And if you want to, you can go ahead and click on the little down arrow over here and choose a different account, whether it is your savings, your checking, or if you have money just already deposited into your SoFi crypto. Now, we're going to go ahead and go back here for us, and it is going to show us how much we have in that checking account that we have toggled on. So you can see here how much you can purchase with. You saw us putting in the dollar amount, but they do have some preset amounts here at the very top as well. Now, if everything here looks good, we're going to go ahead and click on the word review. Now, right over here, it is going to go ahead and showcase that this will be available to trade instantly. If not, it'll let you know as well. And it will tell you what the spread is. As of this recording, it is 1%. You can see this little toggle over here is actually going through and changing in real time. The order type is going to be the market. It is going to verify where it's pulling from, where it's going to, which is your SoFi crypto, and then when it's happening, which is a one-time purchase. And if everything here looks good, you're going to go down to the arrow over here on the bottom and go ahead and hold that down and slide to the right. And you can see this little animation in real time. And once that order goes through, you can see that says right over here that BTC order has been completed, and that is now added to our account. You can go ahead and hit close. And just like that, you're able to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency on your SoFi crypto account. Now I have more to show you when it comes to using your SoFi account, and we got you covered here. Check out our next video on screen to keep on learning.